Welcome to my complete English language course on the basics of the English language. In this video, we will see what is noun. Let's get started. Now we are going to focus on the parts of the speech called nouns. A noun is just a person or a place or a thing. Let's consider an example. The cat runs down the street. Here we have two nouns, cat and the street. We know cat is the subject and street is in the predicate and street is the object. So subject and objects are nouns. We have different noun categories and those categories are person, place, thing, animal and feeling. So under person we are having man, bus driver, fireman, doctor, engineer. So those kind of things we'll be having under person. And under place we can have like Delhi, Madurai and Chennai. Under thing we can have like desk, orange, book, paper, pen, everything will be coming under thing. And for animal we can have dog, bat and cat. And for feeling we can have love, hate and anger. So these are all about noun categories. Noun will be singular or plural. Singular means if you have only one of them. Plural means if you have more than one. For example, let's take an example apple. If a noun ends with E, we can make it as a plural by simply adding S. So in apple, we are just adding S to make it as plural. And the plural is apples. And if a noun ends with X, we can make it as plural by just adding es. So we are taking the example of fox and we are making it as plural by adding es, which is foxes. And if a noun ends with y, we can make it as plural by just adding ies and by dropping y. So in cherry, we are dropping y. Instead of that, we are adding ies. So the plural form of cherry is cherries. Now we will see the types of nouns. And noun is divided into common nouns, proper nouns and even pronouns. Common noun is ordinary nouns that aren't unique. And the example is man and woman. These are all not unique. So it is a common noun. And proper nouns is something that is unique. And the examples are Ramesh and Mary. So these are all unique names. So it is a proper noun. And pronouns. Pronouns take part in place of noun. So instead of noun, we can replace pronoun. So we can replace he in place of Ramesh and we can replace she in place of Mary. That's all about types of nouns. Next, we will see an example. We have to identify the types of noun. And the sentence is, the girl walked to the shop and met Dinesh. In this sentence, first we will identify the nouns. Girl, shop and Dinesh. These are all nouns. Next, we will identify the types of noun. And girl is a common and singular noun because girl is not a unique name, so it is a common noun and it is a singular one. And for shop, it is also common and singular because shop is not unique, so it is a common noun and it is singular. And Dinesh is a proper noun and singular because Dinesh is a unique name, so it is a proper noun and it is singular. Next, see the second example. The sentence is, the rabbits ate carrots. They were full of happiness. First, we will list all the nouns. Rabbits, carrots, they, and happiness. These four are nouns. And we will identify the types of noun. The rabbits are common and plural. So the rabbits is not a unique name. So it is a common one and it is a plural one. And the carrots is also common and it is a plural one. They is a pronoun because we can replace they in place of rabbits. So it is a pronoun and it is a plural one. And happiness is a common and singular noun. So the happiness is not a unique thing. So it is a common one and it is a singular one. Next, this is the exercise for you. You have to list all the nouns in the below sentences and try to figure out whether it is a common noun or proper noun or pronoun or it is a singular or plural. Please try to comment your answers. That's all about noun. In the next video, we will see what is verb. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.